If you're under 50 and relying on the UK state pension, you might want to sit down. Because what you think you'll get and what you'll actually get might be worlds apart. Today we're unpacking the truth about the UK state pension. How much will you really get? Can you actually retire on it without living off beans on toast in a freezing flat? We'll cover what the state pension actually pays, what's required to get the full amount, why relying on it alone could be a massive financial trap, and the simple things you can do now to retire with more dignity and less panic. Let's get into it before you waste another year assuming it'll be fine. Part 1. What is the UK state pension? The UK state pension is like that dusty savings pot your future self is hoping you remember to fill. As of now, if you qualify for the full new state pension, you get £221.20 per week. That's about £11,500 per year, or around £958 per month. Sounds okay. Until you realize that the average rent in the UK is over £1,200 per month. That's before food, heating, council tax, transport. You get the idea. So no, it's not exactly a golden parachute into retirement bliss. Part 2. How do you qualify? You don't get the full pension just for existing. You need 35 qualifying years of national insurance contributions. Less than that, your amount gets scaled down. Fewer than 10 years, you might get nothing. So if you've been self-employed, worked part-time, or taken long career breaks, you need to check your NI record. Like today? Quick check-in. Have you ever checked your national insurance record online? Drop a note in the comments if yes, or help if this is all news to you. Also, give the video a quick like. It helps us reach more people who think they're set for retirement but aren't. Part 3. Can you actually retire on it? Let's do the maths. State pension, approximately £958 per month. Basic living costs, rent, bills, food, easily £1,500. Gap is at least £500 short every single month. So unless you plan to live rent-free in a shed, seat your home with YouTube comments, or survive on instant noodles till the end of time, then no, you can't comfortably retire only on the state pension. Part 4. Why it's getting worse, not better. Fun fact, in 1980, the state pension was 25% of average earnings. Today, closer to 17%. Plus, with people living longer and the government juggling costs, it's very possible the pension age will keep rising, maybe even into your 70s. Translation: the state pension is shrinking in real value and arriving later. But it's not all doom and gloom. Because there are 5 smart moves you can make right now to boost your future income. Even if you're not earning a fortune. Let's break them down. Part 5. 5 ways to secure a better retirement. Check your NI record. Visit gov.uk, National Insurance, view your record. You might have missing years that you can top up. 2. Use a workplace pension. If your employer offers a pension, contribute. They're literally giving you free money. Don't ignore it. Open a SIP or Lifetime ISA. Both offer tax perks. Lisa gives you a 25% bonus on contributions up to £1,000 per year from the Gov. 4. Automate your savings. Even £50 a month starting now grows massively over time thanks to compound interest. 5. Educate yourself. Subscribe to finance channels and learn. The sooner you understand pensions, the less they'll sneak up on you. What's your plan for retirement? Be honest. Comment below with either sorted or starting today. Let's build a community that's not sleepwalking into poverty. And if this helped, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the follow-up. 5 UK pension myths that are costing you thousands. Here's the bottom line. The UK state pension is a safety net, not a safety plan. If you treat it like your only option, you're gambling with your future. What if you use it alongside your own savings, investments, and awareness? You can retire with real freedom. So take control. Start now and don't let your future self down.